In this video, we are quickly going to go through how to create a Google Analytics account. So firstly, we're going to go to analytics.google.com, or you can simply just type in Google Analytics on Google and you'll be led to the same page. Once we get here, click on Start Measuring. From there, we're going to type in the business name. So I'm going to type in our business digital dasher. And let's click all the boxes, then click Next. First, we're going to create a GA4 property. So let's type in the property name. Let's call it Digital Dasher. And let's show font options. And let's create both the universal property and the GA4 property at the same time. From there, we'll type in the website URL. So get that and there. From there, click Next. We are in the service-based business. So let's use business and industrial, business size 1 to 10, and we pretty much want to measure everything for now and the possible future. From there, we need to accept terms. And then they will lead us to this page here where they will give us a measurement ID. But for this sake, we pretty much just want to add a user who will do all the tracking info for us. So if we go to, from there, what you want to do is go to either account access management or property access management, preferably both. Then click the plus button, add user, and there you can add in the user's email address and make sure they have full admin control of the property. From there, you can click add. Do the same for account access management and add it in there again, admin privileges, and that should give access to the whole account. In some cases, you may need to go to the UA account, which is Universal Analytics, and from there just go to admin, property access management, and the same thing again, add user, add the email, admin privileges, and add.